Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this gear animation in Solidworks. Basically we are using helical gears. So let's start. So as you can see that I am default in assembly mode. So what we are going to do is click on the design library, click on toolbox. After that you will see some option called add in now, but in my case it's already added. So click on Asymmetrics, click on power transmission, click on gears and drag and drop your helical gear. Okay, now check out the properties that I'm using. In my case, module is 1, number of teeth is 20, helix direction is 20, helix direction is right hand, helix angle 45, pressure angle is 20, phase width is 15. Remember that phase width is 15 because I'm going to use it later onwards. And nominal shaft diameter is 10. What is nominal shaft diameter? Notice this all. This is called nominal shaft diameter and it's 10 mm. All dimensions here are shown in mm or degrees. Click OK. Click OK. So basically I click on here as well twice. So to I will have two parts. One more thing, if I try to drag this part, notice the selected component is fixed, it cannot be moved. Right click, float. Select the front plane of the assembly. Click on sketch. Draw a center line. Press escape. Exit the sketch mode. Now what I will do, go to the mates, select this face and this face, click on concentric, click OK, select this face and choose and select plane, select the right plane, click on distance 7.5. Why 7.5? Basically I want my gear exactly at the center of plane. I know that my gear thickness is what, 15 mm. Remember when I'm making gear I told you, remember this 15 mm. So what is Soha value? 7.5. Click OK. Now if I try to rotate it, you can see it is rotating. Now where I should place this gear and at what distance and how can I calculate it? So that is a issue for me. I can't simply drag and drop and say hey it's working. This is not the right approach. So what I will do, I will select the right plane in my case because it is perpendicular to the this face, uh, along the face, sorry. Now what I will do, draw a center line. Make sure this line is vertical and this line is horizontal. Now what should be the length of this? This is the important question. So what I have to do is click on here, right click and click on show. For example, I click show. As you can see the pitch circle diameter is showing. So go to the evaluate measure. So in my case it is 28.28 mm. Check out the diameter 28.28 mm. So what I will do, uh, sketch and right 28.28. So this is the helical gear, not the spur gear. So you can't calculate pitch circle diameter by simply multiplying module times number of teeth. Okay. Now what I will do, exit the sketch mode, go to the assembly, mates, select this face and this line, make it concentric, click OK, select this face and select this face, click on distance, enter the value of 7.5, make sure that is exactly in the center of it. Yes, it is in the center of it. And one more thing that I need to show that it is meshing. Okay, this is the correct one. Just in case, uh, if it is aligned opposite direction, click on this icon. In my case, it is fine, so I don't have to worry about. Click OK. Now, click drag this to make it align properly. Okay. Let's hide the sketch because I don't want to see. And hide these sketches as well. Hide, hide. Click on this icon to hide every crap. Now, how can I do the animation? So that's a quite easy thing. So before I move forward, let's make the invite. So what I will do, I will go to the motion study. Uh, oh, my bad. I forgot to do the meeting thing first. So click on here, mechanical, gear, select this. Just to know that the gear ratio is 1:1. So all you need to do is just select the diameter that is same. So that's all matters. So let's see it's working or not. Yeah, it's working, but not that accurately. It's rotating, but I need in opposite direction. So what I will do, click on reverse. So if I try to rotate it now, yep, it's working. So click OK, close this, and I will go to the motion study, click on motor, select this face, click on distance, enter the value of 360 in 10 seconds. Let's make it 5 seconds. Click OK. If you want, you can change the, change transparency of it, or if you don't want, you can, you know, don't change it at all. Again, it's up to you. Now what I will do, uh, click on this, increase the FPS for better quality of animation. Click on calculate. Oh, one more thing. Right click and disable this thing. Click on play. So you can see the animation how it's working. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.